G'day, it's Chriso from down under, Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia. I've been a tiler for 35 years, professional, and we're doing this floor in plank. I'll just turn the camera around. Today is the second day. I did this yesterday, we pulled out the clips and I'm coming down the side there now. I'll leave a couple of rows till the next day, and then I'll fit those couple of rows and put the cut in down the sliding door and the wall. So I'll be moving into this area next and into the kitchen. I'm working that way sort of thing, so I'm going to have to put all my tiles in there and glue and that sort of thing, and then not come out until I sort of get halfway or so. But we've pulled out the fridge and the dishwasher and that sort of thing, so it's full on. I bought a sample of GROUT. That is the misty grey GROUT, which is light grey, and this one is called Havana, and that's their choice, and I reckon it's bloody nice actually. It complements the tile nicely. Once that's clean, it'll look absolutely beautiful. So I'll just pop this on my head and we'll carry on, watch what I'm doing. Hopefully you're able to pick up a few tips and tricks and that sort of thing, you DIYs. If you're doing it yourself, well, hopefully I can show you a few little pointers and that. That's what it's all about. That's what we're here for. If you want to see more of my tiling, I'm bringing a video out every 2 days, so please subscribe, and I'm sure you'll see something that you'll be able to learn from. I've got to be careful here because I'm kneeling on fresh tiles, and I don't like doing that. I don't like walking or kneeling on freshly laid tiles. Where is my sponge and bucket? There it is. You try and keep it as clean as you can. Because if you are trying to scrape glue out of your joints with planks, there's a lot of grout lines. You know, I've got a bit here and there, but when I'm ready, see that? When I'm ready for grouting, I just go over it with a knife, gets it out. Oh, that's a plastic piece from my clip. We'll just cut that out. Yeah, so there's a bit of glue. Try and keep it as clean as you can, like you would have seen yesterday. Always wipe your edge like that. Move this down. It's a new 12mm notch trail. They tend to wear down fairly quickly. The more you use them, they wear down, so then it's a 11mm notchy and then a 10mm, so it's time then to throw them out. I throw them out and buy a new one. But for the DIY, well, you're only using it sort of for one project. Beautiful. I'm up and down a little bit only because I'm doing this row, but when I'm working back from the tiles, you'll see shortly, I stay down on the floor. I don't get up until my glue runs out. There's my rubber hammer. Out in the garage, I think. Yeah, so I'm doing right through here. I'll take up that rubber strip. I think they're going to replace the carpet. Look what the pussycat does. They love animals. I'll be taking this rubber strip up and putting down an aluminium strip with my tiles, which is much nicer than that shitty rubber. There's my rubber hammer. I'll come back in a minute.